Brian here, and what's up, YouTubers? Well, when I was doing stuff yesterday, I actually did got this Roar Attack Allosaurus, the Wave 3 one. As you can see, Roar Attack, and it has Carnotaurus and Darius, and Sammy and Ben and the blue. Kind of weird. Why is Allosaurus in Camp Cretaceous? Is it like a future scene? I don't know, but here's the back. Not to tell. And let's go. Boop. Okay, I have the figure out. Put it right here. I'm gonna grab the tail. Got the tail out. Let me get all the instructions. Gosh, I got the stuff. Oh gosh, I damaged the page, kind of, and I forget that. Here are the warnings and instructions, but we'll all need those. Okay, let's connect this. Okay, that was real easy. So this Allosaurus, this is real nice. So it's like the Battle of the Big Rock, blue and yellow, but darker. And the articulation's just the arms and legs, but that's not all. The tail is in the ball joint. There was one that was like just like zzz. Now it's like this. Roar Attack is really awesome. This is a really cool one. I don't have any comparisons because it's gonna be kind of short, but it's super cool. And like and subscribe. My name is Brian. I'll see you next time. Oh, and one more thing. When you like and subscribe, turn on the notifications. I almost forgot about that. So, subscribe, like, turn on the notifications, grab a comment if I have comments, and that's all.